How to clear Spotify cache on Android. If you're running out of storage space or noticing that Spotify is lagging or acting up, clearing the app's cache on your Android device can really help. The cache is where Spotify temporarily stores songs, images, and data to speed up loading times, but over time it can build up and slow your phone down. To clear it, start by opening your Spotify app, tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then select Data Saving and Offline. Scroll down and tap on Clear Cache and confirm your choice by tapping it again. Clearing the cache is safe and can make Spotify run smoother without affecting your saved music or preferences. It's a quick fix that can really help with app performance, especially if you use Spotify every day. That's all for this video. Hope this helps. Thank you.